See, there's some of you that have a wife or a husband at home. Maybe their schedules are really crazy, and you have husbands and wives that are trying to make you look like a hero. See, my kids knew they loved me, but I did not know they were so pissed at me because I wasn't there. So here's what I knew. My mind is a mind that wants to build a business. So if you're looking at building a business, then this is a great place to be because here's why. Number one, in corporate America, we want everything to be digital. That's where it's going. Corporate America is digital in every possible way because it's the least expensive way to build a business and it's expense, right? The second thing about it is if you can automate the business, because we automated our Fortune top 50 company, we automated this thing. And oh, here, by the way, we sold courses in our stores. We sold programs in our stores. So when everybody goes in there, goes, well, what do you sell? What do you do? I'm like, yeah, no different than that retail company